As conversations scale, it's easy for important messages to get delayed or missed, especially when they need immediate attention. With Periskope, you can automate escalations so critical issues are surfaced and acted on instantly. Start by heading over to the Automation Rules dashboard. From here, select New Rule and then choose Start from Template. You'll see that automation templates are already organized into different categories. For this, select Automated Escalations. Within this category, you'll find a couple of ready-to-use templates. First, trigger an email for SLA breach. This is useful when response times are critical and delays need immediate attention. It ensures that whenever an SLA is at risk or breached, the right stakeholders are notified instantly, helping teams take action before it impacts customer experience. Next, forward message from specific senders. This is helpful when certain contacts or accounts need higher visibility. It ensures that messages from key customers or priority senders are automatically forwarded to the right people, so nothing important goes unnoticed. Let's take a closer look at Trigger an Email for SLA Breach. For this template, the workflow is already set up for you. It starts with the trigger when a message is flagged. This means the rule will activate whenever a message is marked for attention. Once that happens, the action follows automatically, which is to send an email. The system will send an email notification to the selected recipients, ensuring that the issue is immediately visible to the right people. This is supported by a condition that checks whether the message is flagged, making sure the rule only runs when escalation is actually required. Once everything is set, simply save and activate the rule. And just like that, your escalation workflow is up and running in a few minutes. The same flow applies to the other automated escalation templates as well. Triggers, actions, and conditions are already configured, so you can activate them right away and tweak them if needed to better fit your workflow. So instead of relying on manual follow-ups, you can ensure that critical issues are escalated instantly and handled on time. Want to stay on top of every important conversation? Give Periskope a try using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.